Hi there, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to take a look at a simple program that can help us calculate the amount of interest on a loan. This code actually uses a programming platform called PictoBlox, which is widely used for educational purposes. Alright, let's go through the program step by step. Make sure that you have downloaded PictoBlox application. Since we are going to use Python coding, so just click on it directly. And here we find Toby as a sprite. To create an interest calculator, first we need to define the interest calculator function. This step involves defining the interest calculator function that calculates the total interest amount based on the given input. So what should we write? Definition, interest calculator, and we refer to simple interest formula that involve principal, rate, and time. Amount equals to principal plus principal, rate, time 100. Then we need to request the input from the users. In this step, we use the sprite object to request input from the user. This will look like input from messages. So we write sprite.input and enter the principal amount. Principal equals to, well, we need float sprite dot answer. Okay, we can just copy this and then change them into rate and time. Enter the interest rate. Oh, sorry. It should be number second. Enter the interest rate and then enter the time. This is supposed to be red and this one is time. Okay. After that, calculate and display the total amount. In this final step, we use the sprite object to calculate the total amount using the interest calculator function and display it as a message. So sprite dot say amount is, make sure that it is not negative, so it is positive, and then string interest calculator involving principal, rate, and time. We also need to define how long Toby will say that. Let's say 5 seconds. Okay, we need to run it first. Let's check it. Let's say you borrow $1,000 with an interest of 5% for 2 years. So, enter the principal amount 1,000, the interest rate 5%, and the time 2 years. So Toby said the amount is known. There must be something wrong with it. Something is missing in the code. So we need to go back to the code. Let's check it out. Okay. Yes. We miss return amount. The return statement is crucial because it allows the calculated amount to be passed back to the caller of the function. Without the return statement, the function would not provide any value back, and you would not be able to access the calculated amount outside the function. The calculated amount value will be assigned to the amount variable, which can be used for further processing or display. The return statement is enable the function to provide its calculated result the rest of the program. So let's run it again and then enter the principal amount 1,000, the interest rate 5%, the time is 2 years. So the amount is $1,000, 100. You need to repay for $1,000 and 100. So that's how this program works. Calculating loan interest using simple code. Interesting, isn't it? If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Happy coding!